Now, with any TV, you're like, okay, how much sharper can it get? How much better can it get? This TV is brilliant in so many ways. There are two standout features for me. Every year at these tech conferences, TVs get better and better, and Samsung is no exception to this rule. Samsung just released here at this event the new QLED 8K TV. Now, with any TV, you're like, okay, how much sharper can it get? How much better can it get? This TV is brilliant in so many ways. There are two standout features for me. One is that it has smarter sound. It can recognize different scenes that you're watching and optimize the sound for you. The second is that it has this what's called an 8K AI upscaling technology. Quantum processor 8K delivers audio with real-life sound by analyzing each scene as you watch, highlighting voice in movies and dramas while optimizing background and spectator soundtracks for sports and action content. It can turn an image, let's say that's 1080p, into 8K image. So, you know, people always say, I want to watch 4K, I want to watch 8K, but there's no content that's being filmed in 8K right now. But now you don't have to, because you can turn any image from whatever you have into 8K imagery. That's just brilliant. Samsung's machine learning super resolution uses picture formula to upscale images into 8K through texture creation, noise reduction, and edge restoration. With TVs getting better, sharper, and just overall bigger and bigger, who knows what will come of TV next year?